Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back. We're at 2008 SolidWorks Mania. Let's do it. Let's check it out today. It's going to be this part right here. And that's an interesting looking part. It looks just like this one, but with a slot, I guess. Let me see. So let's head back. Let's check out the drawing. Phase 1 drawing. And it looks like everything's gonna be centered except for this is gonna be an offset, so that's gonna be cool. Does it tell me how much it's offset by? 30. Doesn't give me. Okay, so material. Oh, this time they give us material. Dimensions so huge. I'm gonna go with millimeters again. I just wish they added to the drawing. Wait, you tell me. Yeah, funny guy. Okay, let's try this. So I'm gonna start with this boss first. Do this slot here after, and then the center here. It's kind of really easy, but let's see if I bite my tongue right now. So file new, go to the right plane, sketch, boss here, diameter 35. Do the cut after. See, this is the interesting part because I don't know. See, it's gonna be 2 millimeters offset from here, and this one's gonna be 1 millimeter. I'm not gonna do the math. I'm gonna do it exactly how they do it. So I'm gonna just extrude boss 30. Now I'm gonna go to the right plane, and I'm gonna do a slot on an arc. Just gonna do 3-point arc. And let's see what they say. So it's a radius 6 for the inside, 12 for the outside. So I'm gonna grab another arc. Six for there, 12 for out here. 30 degrees. And that's all to the center, and it's 100 radius. So go here, 100 radius. Do. And it's to the flat, so basically I'm gonna grab a center line to this point down here, make that floor, grab that circle, make it tangent. Now it's technically on the floor. Oops. I'm gonna grab another line just to make it vertical, just to make sure that's the very peak there. So vertical. There we go. And this one, it's gonna be offset, I believe 1. I don't remember. It's gonna be offset 2. Offset 2 16th. Blind 16. There we go. Save that. And we're gonna do Model Mania 2008. New folder. Mania 2008. Now I'm going to do this piece here. And full radius. That's cool. 2 radius, 2 radius. 6. So I'm going to do this right here. Like that. Make this giant circle. Grab that right there, make this tangent. Is the tangent to the other side? Yes. Tangent to that side. Grab all these features in here to convert entities them. Trim that down. Trim that. Let's not trim this. Actually, I'm gonna need that. There's delivery matter, and then 175 here. 175. And then right here is gonna be 6, 6, 6. Six offset. 6 offset. I'm gonna grab another round. Do exactly what they said, the full round. Tangent there and there. We trim that. There we go. Oops. Trimmed, trimmed. Trimmed. And we're gonna add that wall later on. So I actually don't need the inside of here. We'll add the little radiuses after. And there's gonna be another 6 here. Let me delete that little arc in there so I can move that. And I could trim the rest of this off. And then hold shift between 2 circles, and you get the smaller dimension between 2. This one away, so I'm gonna add my tangency again. There we go. Add my trimmed again. This one is going to be, let's see, 14 millimeters and 1 millimeter difference from that. So 14 millimeters selected. And I'm going to do something here. I'm going to grab this face. I'm going to change this parameter to here so I can do that offset 1. Edit. Offset. Oops, not vertex. Offset. Grab vertex again. 1 millimeter. There we go. And everything's merged. And something didn't go right here. Select my regions. I grab the outside or the inside here. I didn't want that. And let's do this cut now. So it's 24.5, 6, 22. So I'm gonna do the same as I do. This would be 6. We want to hold shift right there. Shift here. 24.5. I forgot the number for the other one. 22. Extrude cut. Here. 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 Through all. Press OK. Done right there. Grab the fillet. And the fillets on the inside are going to be 2. Here and here. There we go. Let's change the color to that yellow color. I don't know why I did it that way, but just those kind of days. It's going to be for the entire part, not just a fillet. There we go. And there's some outside fillets. So the blue radiuses are going to be 2, and the red ones are going to be 4. Actually, I probably could have done all that with this radius tool. So let's select this one, let's click the blue color. And then I'm going to select all the way around it. Here. Is all the inside correct? Yes. Let me clear that. Let's do these first. Because I don't think it will do the one around until I do all of these. And that might have to be a different billet. And yeah, it's going to have to be a different one. That's correct. All the way over around. Change this one to that nice blue color. And then this one's going to be the 4. And then we could change this one to red. Save. Okay, cool. So like all of them, rename this one. Call it phase 1. Add a configuration. Phase 2. Let me check out the drawing. The radius is 14, 1, 30, 16. Did I do 16 here? Yeah, I did 16. Yeah, I did 30. Okay, cool. Let me go to phase 2. Whoa, what is this? Create a new configuration called phase 2. That's what we've done for this configuration only. Make the changes indicated in the views above. Dimensions and parameters are for reference only. Use Simulation Express or SolidWorks Simulation to analyze the 2 configurations and determine which is stronger. Highest factor of safety. Record the minimum factor of safety for each version of this part. Okay. I'm not even sure the SolidWorks Maker includes that with the package. We'll test it out right now. Radius 2. Oh, I forgot that actually. Before we continue, let's add a material to this. So this material, right click, add a material, and it's going to be a steel 1020. Apply. The appearance for the material is different than existing. Yeah, it's fine. And then hopefully that should be input for both. So you just do that one more time. I should have done it before I did the configurations. And then let's close that. And then I still want to go with that yellow color, but it's still steel. It's just a nice shiny steel. A very yellow shiny steel. Save. And then let's check out the dimension changes. So now instead of, it's going to be 8, 2, 30, 16, a 4 millimeter offset, a 8 millimeter thickness. So it's all within this part mostly. So I'm going to put this configuration. And then from there to there, it's going to be 4 millimeter difference. And then it's going to be 8 millimeter thickness. Cool. And then the thickness of the rib. I am doing this configuration. No, I'm not. Let me Control Z my. Well, that's gnarly. I might have to change it for this configuration. So 1 and 16. Go back to this configuration. So they didn't change here. I did a little mess up. It's 14, not 16. There we go. Now I could change it. This one's going to be 4. Make sure it says this configuration 4, yeah. And this one's going to be 8. And then here, oops, I'm going to go to the sketch now. It is the sketch. So here, there, let's make these equal to each other. Change this configuration. I'm going to change this to, is that 14 correct? Configuration to 14. There we go. Press OK. The fillet now doesn't work. We have to drive that fillet around again. Let's choose this wall here. Okay. 38, 4. Okay, so it looks like Neuro's going to change and record the minimum safety factor. So use Simulation Express. Control Save. And then we're going to head to Evaluation. Simulation Express. So at this point in the video, if you guys don't have Simulation Express, I'm going to go to Evaluate Mass Properties. And you guys can see both the, make sure you have the material though. Oh, let's start from phase 1. So phase 1, density mass, or the mass and the volume. Then phase 2, the mass and the volume. And then compare that against yours. And let's see if SolidWorks Maker includes the simulation package. I doubt it comes with it, but let's try it. Add-ins, motions. It does not come with simulations. Okay, so there's no simulation package in SolidWorks Maker. So I'll leave it here with the mass and the volume. You guys can compare it against your model. Again, this model is going to be free for download to anyone that has SolidWorks Maker 2023. You guys can open this up. I'm not sure if it's, I don't think you can open it in the regular professional version, but you could try. Yeah. If you guys need any help, let me know. If you guys compare your answers to mine, let me know. And if I made a mistake, most likely, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see what I could do. And if you guys need any help, let me know. Peace. Little bit of a different method because SolidWorks Maker doesn't have simulations, and therefore I had to convert these to parasolids and reopen them in a different SolidWorks module, or a SolidWorks edition 2020 to be exact, just so I could show you guys how to do the simulation portion of this of this SolidWorks Mania challenge. So we're gonna go to Evaluate. We're gonna go to the Simulation Express Analysis Wizard. We're gonna head over to Next. I'm actually gonna remove my head here so you guys can see the screen. So apologies. And we're gonna add a fixture. This fixture is gonna be in here, and we're gonna press OK. We're gonna go to Next. And from our last one, we're gonna add a force. We're gonna add the force right here, and this one is gonna be 400 newtons. And we're gonna press OK. Then we're gonna head over to Next. We already have our material selected. And then we're gonna run the simulation. This should be relatively quick. And there you go. You can see the simulation stressing our part. And does the part deform as expected? Pretty much yes. So we're going to put yes and continue. And then right here, you can see based on the specified parameters, the lowest factor of safety is 4.5. And with these results, you could copy this 4.502. And this is phase 1. Now, if you've done it and you have SolidWorks Express simulations, you can actually flip between the two configurations. But in my case, I just saved them as 2 parts. So I'm gonna quickly redo these settings, and you guys will see the other side of it. And we see that the part that is stronger is the phase 1. Let me put back my face so you guys can see my wonderful face. So from that, you guys see that the phase 1 is the stronger of the 2 parts. Maybe I could. I don't know if I could do this, but yes. A higher factor of safety at 4.5 versus 2.8 or 2.8. So this one is the stronger part, and this has the lower factor of safety. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this one. It's relatively easy. It's just having access to that Simulation Express. Sadly, the SolidWorks maker doesn't have access, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they actually have access. I just wasn't able to find it. So if you guys liked it, please like, comment, subscribe. If you guys have any questions about this, please let me know in the comments, and I'll try to get to it as soon as possible. And come chat with me. I'm trying to do live streams on Thursday. It's open floor pretty much, and if nothing else, I do my own thing, and you guys could watch me do it. So if you guys liked it, please subscribe. Thank you.